Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Sa for today's video ay magluto tayo ng beef and egg recipe. So meron tayong ginger, so i-mince natin. So pinong-pino lang dapat. And then, meron din tayong garlic, dalawa. So, i-mince din natin as in, na pinong-pino. And syempre, meron tayong lean beef. So, ayan guys. So, i-slice natin into thin. Para mas mabilis maluto. So, yung pag-slice ko guys ay katamtaman lang sa isang soup. So, ayan, after natin ma-slice, so, i-marinate natin, guys. So, lagyan natin ng dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper powder, sesame oil, cornstarch, at syempre ang ating baking soda at konting water. And then, i-mix well lang natin. So, magiging malambot to guys kasi nilagyan ko siya ng konting baking soda. So, ayan ang ating ingredients for today. So, i-fry na natin guys. So, ilagay natin yung ating minced garlic, minced onion. Naglagay din pala ako ng minced onion dito guys. Minced ginger. Then, saka natin ilagay yung ating sliced beef. So, lutuin lang natin to saglit guys, kasi madali lang maluto. Ayan, medyo okay na. After nating maluto guys, is set aside natin. Then mag-fry na tayo ng ating eggs. Scrambled eggs. Yung aking ginamit na eggs ay hindi gaanong yellow guys, yung light yellow lang to siya. Mas maganda yung mas makulay. Ayan guys, i-mix well lang natin. Mabilis lang siyang maluto. And yun, may ulam na tayo guys. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, tamang-tama na rin yung ating timpla dyan guys kasi may lasa na yung beef. So, ayan. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.